Alright, so we do blue filter. EJ's favorite. EJ working on his own car, that's a rarity. That's nice. How many intakes have you done in this driveway? Too many, right? Absolutely too many. Absolutely fucking too many. Right? What's it gonna sound like, Bob? Maybe. While EJ is doing his intake, I'll give you guys an update on mine. Still clean. Sounds awesome as fuck. Shifts really nice. It doesn't overheat because of the heat shield. I've gotten a lot of compliments on it from you guys and people IRL. But thing's nice, man. I love this intake. I suggest it highly to anybody who wants an AFE powered Takeda intake. Do it. It's worth the money. Fucking looks awesome. Sounds good. Shifts well. Sick. Back by popular demand. What's in the glove box? This time we're checking EJ's glove box out. All right. He's got a whole bunch of stuff in here too. We have a cell phone holder. We have what looks like a squeegee. It's like almost like it's like a squeegee. We have a banana thing. A dog whistle? I don't know what the fuck this is. Oh, this is for a Swiffer fucking... This is like a handle. And then we have an engine reader. We have an easy pass holder. I see a manual in there. His insurance card. He's taking out his old one. We're going to be putting in the nice new pipe. EJ Lane pipe. What's bigger? I have a fun game for you each. Do you know what's in your glove box?
I don't know, to be honest.
Okay.
A whole bunch of shit.
Nice.
Gas holder. Registration, insurance. Nah, because you didn't have it. What's up?
What else?
I don't know. To be honest with you.
Alright.
What'd you put in there?
Nothing. So why do you have a Swiffer handle in your fucking glove box?
I don't know how to put this bitch together.
You have a whole bunch of stuff.
I'll show you. I'll show you, dog.
Oh, for fucking dusting?
Yeah.
You're doing a good job.
Yeah, I know. Comes out fantastic, right? Gas holder. Drive a Ford, always gotta clear some codes. Insurance. These were probably supposed to be
your weed?
Yeah.
What the fuck is that?
The sticker from the car.
Ah, the original window sticker? How much you pay for this thing?
Oh, I didn't pay anything. It's
Nice.
$25,000.
You bought this bitch for free?
Yeah.
That's nice. Two hoodies, working on a goodie.
Oh, yeah.
That's nice.
That was just a push clip, right?
What, this?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
I don't like how it fits.
I mean, that's true. When you're working on somebody else's car and it fits perfect on their car, then you know what's wrong with your car. You know what I'm saying?
fucking wiggle that fucker on there.
Wiggle it.
Wiggle that.
Give it a little wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Jesus. Just knock all that shit in there. Just fine.
This one here. Leave them on there. I'll take them off. The old stock intake was bolted here, and then that's the engine cover bolt.
Now put it right back on.
You know that thing ain't gonna come off. That's for sure.
I just light myself on fire.
That was awesome.
I can't see how it is, and you're fucking shoving a camera in my face, dog. What the fuck is this shit?
Yes, sir.
Did you check to make sure it's all the way on there? From what I felt, it felt like it was perfectly. There's no gap in between.
Did you get in?
Oh.
She sits nice as hell. It's nice.
Wait, the stock one touched it. Feel the line in it.
Yeah, there's a fucking indent.
I think it's cool. How's it coming out? I think it looks good. I think it's gonna look really mean. You think it's gonna look good, Bob?
Oh, fuck yeah.
Fuck yeah, it's gonna look good.
Fuck yeah, dude. Oh yeah, you move that over, you're fine.
I think it looks good as fuck. It's gonna look sick. It's gonna sound sick. It's gonna be sick. Right? Right? Right?
Hope so.
Much like this either. Yours does.
I think the curve looks really cool.
Mine sits like shit.
Church, what do you got to install? What's that?
What?
Hold it up.
Left do I have?
Yeah, I want to see it.
There is a washer.
Oh, Church!
Yeah, that's probably why mine throws the fucking code.
So let's go fix
Mine
it.
doesn't fucking flip on.
Let's fucking fix it, dog. The green filter fit?
Green filter always fits.
Fuck yeah, the green filter always fits. So then why didn't you rock the green filter for a while?
I could get that bolt in, and then that bolt.
Alright, so we do blue filter. EJ's favorite. That's how you do it. You just wham, 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 wham. Just testing it out for you. That's nice. every time.
time we see them. You hear it a lot more. It's better to just open it up there. Jesus Christ. Which one is it? Coming home, Karen.
Yeah, if only my car was this fucking loud, she'd be so happy. This house is starting to look like Dom Toretto's house.
One day. Actually, looks 10 times better.
Fuck yeah, it does. Looks so much nicer. It's cleaner, more streamlined.
First and second gear, it's still on. I ain't worried about it. I'll electrical tape it and everything.
What you got under the hood?
Holy fuck, mine's on.
Yeah. Yeah. You know what? Gasket probably swells some bolts off.
You guys have the same
See how
intake.
mine moves?
Oh yeah.
But also, I'll show you. See the
Space.
I probably shouldn't have used it. I broke the Oh, you see how mine doesn't fit? Flush like yours does? There's a gap.
Yeah. It's because you gotta, because of that. You gotta put it over that.
Oh, it's gotta go over it?
Yeah, that's what mine did.
Oh. I should probably do that.
The updated months and the rate.
Because I had gap in there originally.